Guys, as some of you know, I'm going turbo. Yum. Yum. But before I do that, I want to, first of all, I need to get a bunch of parts for the kit. Intercooler piping I need, and a couple other things like a fitting for the high feed, or high pressure oil feed. But yeah, so that's what's going on for the turbo. But for now, I'm going to install the innovative motor mounts. These are the 60 Duro. I've already dropped these down to the lowest setting. Gonna see how they are. If they're too low, I can always raise them. But yeah, so just raising the car up now. So I'm underneath the car right now, and you're gonna want to get access to this bolt right here, which is underneath the subframe. That's attached to your motor. That is your motor mount. And so we got to remove that screw. I've got it jacked up from my frame rail because I have aftermarket frame rails on. If you don't do that. I'm going to try to get it in there with my splitter on, but we'll see how that works. And yeah, so I'm just going to release those two bolts on both sides, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so those bolts are removed on both sides. So now I'm going to start to jack this up from the transmission, and yeah, I don't want to record while I do this, just so I can pay attention and make sure I don't break anything. So now you have to go to the bolts attached to the motor mounts right there, and there should be 3 of them. Alright guys, so after you get this off, you gotta like wiggle at them. But once you get them off, you grab the matching mount. Just gonna line it up, and then you're gonna mount it to the motor first. It's very simple. Just grab the 3 screws. Make sure you remember the orientation that you removed them from, and put them back. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when your motor mount is ripped or just broken. That's what it should look like. Well, somewhat look like. That's old. For your driver's side, you're gonna have to remove the center bolts. For your passenger side, you're okay. The camera's a little foggy because it's greasy, but yeah. So I'm just going to continue. I'm going to drop the engine now and line everything up and make sure everything's good. Alright guys, so I just struggled a bit getting this side in, getting that bolt through, but what you gotta do is just make sure this side, the bottom, is loose. Then you're gonna wanna loosen all 3 of those bolts, and then you're gonna wanna loosen the one on the bottom from the subframe. And then you'll be able to wiggle the other one through, and that's how you do it. Huge pain, but I got it eventually. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this, but oil pan is sitting pretty low. Kinda scary how low it's sitting. It's like almost flush. I don't know. Alright guys, so I just took the car for a rip. Wow, what a difference. Instantly noticeable, mainly because my stock motor mount was fucked. Like, I don't know if you saw that, but it was just ripped, so it wasn't even really holding my car in place anyways. So now, like, it feels like a completely different car. Also right now, I just installed the mounts, so I need like at least a week or 2 for them to actually like work in and not be ridiculous. So yeah, like, if you don't have motor mounts, upgraded motor mounts already, you guys need to get on it ASAP. Holy shit. Just taking it for a drive across the block, major difference. Every shift, just everything's so much more responsive, and it's a must. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Alright, thanks for watching.